Hi, good morning. I'm here in NAIA Terminal 2, Flight for Davao. Sana hindi madali yung flight namin, guys. So far, okay naman yung early flight kami, guys. And, maaga lang. Bali yung flight namin is about 5:45 yung boarding. I don't know if hindi madali yung flight, but I think hindi naman siguro. Wala namang advisory or wala namang sinabi if madali yung flight namin. Right now, hinihintay pa lang namin yung flight back to Davao. Pinalipat kami ng boarding gate. Tapos walang upuan. NAIA 2. NAIA Terminal 2. Check, check. Ang dami tao. Update ko kayo mamaya, guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Love lang. Hi again. Good morning. Oh, diba? Maaga tayo ngayon kasi pauwi tayo ng Davao. Way back to... Maghihintay pa lang ng flight. Hindi naman madidili yung flight namin. Laki ng mukha ko, guys. Hello. It's ate. Nakuha sa camera. Char! Time check. It's 4 a.m. Oh. I don't know to do the time exactly, but it's really fun naman. So waiting. Okay, bye-bye. Hi. Grabe naman yung mukha na yan. Really ako nalilip. Maaga na.
Expected turbulence during the flight. We will update you with the latest arrival information as we get closer to our destination. Thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino. Mabuhay.